if you want to display all these charts at a time, see, all these occupy more space, and we cannot display all these properly. Okay, we cannot display all this properly. So, onto okay, same position for all this, and now we will enable auto minimize. Right click, properties, then go to caption tab. Here say, here is in the bottom there is a checkbox called auto minimize. In caption tab, in the bottom, there is an option called auto minimize. Select auto minimize, only OK. I'll minimize this one. And position also same. All shield objects same process. Auto minimize. Okay. Now see, I have enabled auto minimize of these four charts. For example, if I try to open pie chart, all other charts will be minimized automatically. Only pie chart will be open. See, only pie chart will be displayed, and all other charts will be minimized automatically. See, line chart means it will display only line chart. All other charts will be minimized automatically. See? This one.